Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Hey, good to see you.
Have you guys finished that essay it's due for tomorrow?
No, we're just working on it now. It's brutal.
Yeah, we've had to do like 5 of these this semester, and they've all been tough.
I know, right? My grades get lower and lower every time. I mean, that doesn't make sense. They should be getting better the more I do them, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's the prof. She clearly doesn't know what she's doing, but it's like she's punishing us with these crappy grades.
And she doesn't even explain why we get the grades we get, right? Like, look at some of her comments on here. Parallelism?
What is that?
She never explained that in class.
The prof doesn't even seem to realize that we're not even English students.
We're in nursing. What does it matter if we know anything about English literature?
Yeah, like, no one here cares. Maybe tone it down a few notches?
Yeah, and it's a waste of our time and our money. And it's affecting our GPA for the courses that actually matter.
Maybe we should try talking to her about this? Like, does she have office hours?
Don't bother. Like, I've tried. And she just says to respond to her written feedback, and my grades will improve.
I keep trying to fix things, but it's like, I still get the same comments. Ha! Zadie's complaining about this assignment too. So useless.
So useless.
Can't wait for this to be over.